Did you know you can ski in Africa? Welcome to Lesotho, the kingdom in the sky, and Africa's coldest country, where real winter arrives each year. With every corner of the nation above 1,000 meters and high passes reaching about 3,222 meters, snow isn't occasional, it's expected. June, July, and August bring night snowfalls from radiative cooling, cars buried under quiet drifts, frozen doors and windscreens, and roads sealed by black ice. Locals prep for sub-zero mornings by leaving taps dripping so pipes don't freeze, warming engines with antifreeze, and waiting for graders and salt to reopen mountain routes. Here, winter shapes daily life and powers tourism. Afriski, one of southern Africa's only ski resorts, sits near 3,022 meters, drawing visitors for skiing, snowboarding, and true alpine conditions that can't melt in a day. Lesotho's altitude explains it all, the world's highest, lowest point. So when winter fronts roll through, the Maloti Highlands turn white, passes vanish into cloud, and a quiet, cinematic snow season blankets Africa's mountain kingdom. YouTube description matches the title. Yes, you can ski in Africa. This Birdseye travel film explores Lesotho, the only African country that truly winters. An alpine nation entirely above 1,000 passenger Celsius, where June-August bring reliable snow, sub-zero nights, and black ice mountain roads. See taps left dripping so pipes don't freeze, cars and rooftops buried by overnight snow, graders salting steep passes, and Afriski at 3,222 meters offering skiing and snowboarding in real winter conditions. If Africa equals heat is your mental picture, meet the kingdom in the sky, where altitude turns the continent white. Have you ever considered skiing in Africa? Journey to Lesotho, the kingdom in the sky, where winter truly exists. This unique nation boasts an elevation above 1,000 meters at every turn, with towering peaks reaching 3,222 meters. Here, snowfall from June to August is a certainty, transforming the landscape. Picture quiet nights, drifts covering cars, frozen doors, and black ice coating roads. To face morning chills, locals take precautions, dripping faucets to prevent pipe freezes, warming engines with antifreeze, and waiting for road crews to clear mountain paths. Winter isn't just a season, it defines life and boosts tourism here. Afriski, one of southern Africa's rare ski resorts, sits near those lofty heights, attracting thrill-seekers for skiing, snowboarding, and extended alpine conditions that linger. The altitude tells the story. Lesotho is the world's highest, lowest point. When winter storms grace the Maloti Highlands, everything turns white, cloud-engulfed passes disappear, and a serene, cinematic snowy season blankets the mountain kingdom of Africa. YouTube description matches the title. Yes, you can indeed ski in Africa. This Birdseye travel film takes you to Lesotho, the continent's winter wonderland. Elevated entirely above 1,000 meters, it offers snowy conditions from June to August, along with sub-zero nights. Witness dripping taps to keep pipes thawed, cars and rooftops blanketed overnight, graders working on icy passes, and Afriski at around 3,222 meters for genuine winter sports. If you picture Africa solely as a place of heat, it's time to discover the kingdom in the sky, where impressive altitude paints the continent white.